Hello and welcome to Azure Wala YouTube channel. We are in How to series. Today we will learn how to create customer tenant in Entra ID. Before we proceed with today's topic, I would like to inform you that we are providing online instructor-led hands-on Azure trainings. If interested, please feel free to reach me on this WhatsApp number. In this lab, we will understand the concept of tenant, create and view tenant information. This lab is aimed to provide information about tenant creation. We will learn about creating new tenant and viewing tenant information. We will be using Microsoft Entra Admin Center as lab tool. Let's understand what is a tenant. A tenant is an instance of Microsoft Entra ID in which information about a single organization resides, including organizational objects such as users, groups, and devices, and also application registrations such as Microsoft 365 and third-party applications. Then the question arises why an organization might have multiple tenants. The first reason to have multiple tenants is conglomerates. Organizations with multiple subsidiaries or business units that operate independently will require multiple tenants. Second reason is mergers and acquisitions. Organizations that merge or acquire companies might need multiple tenants to organize their user accounts. Third reason is divestiture activity. In divestiture, one organization splits off part of its business to form a new organization or sell it to an existing organization. We have to have multiple tenant in that case as well. The fourth reason is multiple clouds. Organizations that have compliance or regulatory needs to exist in multiple cloud environments. Multiple geographical boundaries. Organizations that operate in multiple geographic locations with various residency regulations might require multiple tenants. Test or staging tenants. Organizations that need multiple tenants for testing or staging purposes before deploying more broadly or primary tenants might require multiple tenants. Department or employee created tenants. Organizations where departments or employees have created tenants for development, testing, or separate control might require multiple tenants. These are some of the key reasons where organization might require multiple tenants. Create a new customer tenant. There are two types of tenants we can create. One is workforce tenant and the second is customer tenant. We will be creating a customer tenant as we are using a free license. If we do have the paid license of Microsoft Azure, in that case we can create a workforce tenant as well. For that we will sign into organization's Microsoft Entra Admin Center as at least a contributor. We'll browse to identity, overview page, and then we'll click the manage tenants. Then we'll select create. We will go to identity. Under identity we'll go to overview. Under the overview click on manage tenants. We would like to create a new tenant. We will select customer tenant and then we'll press continue. We'll go for customer. We'll press continue. If you are creating a customer tenant for first time, you have the option to create a trial tenant that doesn't require an Azure subscription. Otherwise, use the Azure subscription option to continue to the next step. We will be using the free trial one. It will have 30 days free trial period. So we will go for free trial. We will change our tenant name. Our new tenant is successfully created. Next, we will see how we can get the customer tenant details. To view our tenant, we can go to directory and subscriptions in settings, and we can view the tenants. We can switch back to our tenants directory. We are at the .NET homepage, our tenants homepage, and we'll go to identity tab. We'll go to overview, and we can go to overview from here, and we can see the basic information of 101labs.net. This concludes our lab. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.